What Tooth Mom thinks of what?
The image.
Oh, God.
Oh, wait, is this about the unhinged monkey?
Uh-oh.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Wait, Butter, what?
I don't... Alyssa, did you heard it? Did you like it? Did you enjoy it?
An unhinged monkey.
Alyssa... I'll take that as you liked it. You can't say that it wasn't enjoyable. I wasted his time. That's like... Of course I will.
I'm glad.
That means one of the cookie pots you're bringing
I'm
from
glad.
outside. I need them. Oh. Oh. Ooh. We gotta bully him with more copy pastas, guys. You hear that? More
Gotcha.
unhinged monkey, like elephant.
I don't know enough copy pastas.
Oh, I'm real good at provoking people. If you can't tell.
Small almost through.
What? No, I'm fine. Scared? I'm not fine. I repeat.
The shape's down here or here, somewhere in my area. I'm in 90.
It's here.
Lucid.
It sure isn't. It's right next to me.
Oh. What's your real name? You call the color.
I might die. Oh, fuck.
Oh, that's alright.
You know what? That was
Okay,
good
let's be
timing.
real. That was expected.
It's not near you.
You know, we sure do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey there, I'm Isabella.
The dog.
Stop it! That's mean. No.
No.
HTS. Oh no, the collar. I'm stupid.
The collar. You're being mean.
I'm actually dumb. No,
You're
disregard
bullying.
everything I said. No. I thought we were talking about the hunter.
No, we're talking about the collar.
Somehow I
my
managed to
sure,
retain
I'm-
that, and I was getting bullied by Elucid.
I'm sure there's some personality in. I'm good at humor.
Yeah, you sure did.
Well, you heard it. You liked it. I'm sure if there's some attitude in there and some humor, it definitely provokes something in there.
Hey, Muse.
Hmm?
I can start provoking her.
That means I get to write more copy pasta. Unless I struggled a little bit.
We can
The
all
one
say
to Ella was a lot more clear.
Yes.
bullying permission.
I got you. Bully permission. You're right. I did get permission now. It's
a special
endorsed
assignment.
bullying.
Deserved
It really
bullying.
is endorsed bullying. I'll try my best. Wait.
Muse, we gotta get.
Yeah, Muse.
Oh
get him.
no, we gotta do.
Muse.
Come on.
Okay.
Hey Tid, how do you?
Hey,
we gotta
hey,
do
Tid.
3, 2, 1.
We are the voice.
Tid,
SEO is kind of awful, right? And so we thought it would be funny to dress up as the voice. And apparently they didn't think it was funny because the shape is trying to kill me.
Isn't it funny? Are we accurate?
Are we accurate? Do you know?
To make it more accurate. I strive for perfection here.
You avoided this already 3 times. You avoided this 3 times. They had to get you this time.
We will not be silenced. We are the
Shut-
I am not.
I didn't like it either when they first showed me.
You're welcome.
I didn't like it either.
You know, I'll try.
Bye,
Good night.
We'll cause
Good
some other
night.
shenanigans.
We have gotten him to acknowledge us.
We got him to acknowledge us!
Yeah.
He's giving me endorsed bullying, right?
Good.
I didn't
Well,
expect
didn't
it to
answer.
answer.
It's all the way up there.
What are you doing to the caller?
Hi. Help.
Hi.
Help.
More crime time. Let's get out of here, boys.
What in the hell was that?
This was beautiful. This was our best chat by far. 10 out of 10.
Our chats just get better each time.
They really do. What in the hell is that? He
You
really
didn't answer
said-
my question. That I'm so curious about, although I'm delighted that it was Eloise that got the attention. Oh my god.
That was good.
the song. Oh, I didn't mean to do that.
Oh my god.
That was so fucking funny.
Well, good to know that I need to start writing some shitposts.
Me too. We gotta set the copy pasta.
I gotta bully
Yes.
the hunter more.
Yes, let's go.
Do
Bully.
you think if all of us send
Bully.
the same thing?
You see, the thing is that Ara wouldn't.
Is
V and wood.
Ara playing with a specific group of people?
That means EH heard my shitpost.
Good.
That
Is,
means they all heard my shitpost.
The unhinged monkey.
I hope Noel personally enjoyed it.